Hi, I'm Matt, and welcome to the video newsletter for the month of January 2014 for thevirtualinstructor.com. I've been extremely busy adding brand new stuff to the site, and I'd like to take a moment and share just a few of the highlights of what I've added. Now, I've added so much content over the last month and a half or so that I'm just going to have to hit the highlights here in the video. But be sure to check out the links below the video so that you can get all the great content that I've added for you guys. And if you happen to be watching this on YouTube, just follow the link in the description below and it will take you to the page with all the links of the new content. The first thing I'd like to share with you guys is the addition of a brand new course in the membership section of thevirtualinstructor.com. This course is called Oil Painting Master Series, and it's really designed for brand new oil painters. The course is taught by Ashley Bainhurst, who has been recognized nationally in the National Art for Parks competition. He's also an excellent educator. Over the course of the last month and a half, the first 9 modules of this course have been released. When this course is complete, there will be a total of 19 video modules, which will consist of over 200 minutes of video instruction. And just like the other video courses offered in the membership section of thevirtualinstructor.com, each module includes an ebook that you can download to help you follow along with the video content. Sticking with course content, 2 new modules have been added to Pastel Landscape Mastery as well, both on techniques, one on dry wash and one on wet wash. You're looking at the finished images of those 2 modules. There also have been 9 brand new recorded live lessons that have been added to the membership section at the site. Here's a couple examples of the finished product. Quite a bit of free content has also been added to the site, mainly focused on improving drawing skills. There are photo references available for practicing drawing forms, as well as drawing highly reflective surfaces. And on the blog, we also took a look at drawing glass and kind of the secrets behind that. I definitely haven't covered everything that I've added to the new site here in the video, but be sure to check out the links below so that you can get access to all the content that I have added in the last month and a half. Also, if you have a question, be sure to send me an email at contact@thevirtualinstructor.com or just a comment. I'd love to hear from you guys. Also, don't forget about the Facebook page, facebook.com/thevirtualinstructor. Be sure to like that page so that I can send you updates whenever I do add new content to the site. And lastly, I'd just like to thank you for taking a look at this video newsletter, and thank you for being a part of thevirtualinstructor.com.